You're watching Forget Being Cool.
But you were doing the thing with the camera thing.
Okay, ready, guys?
So fun about it.
Time to taste sweet tree food.
Welcome back to Time to Taste here on Forget Being Cool. I'm Dave Moore. It's the weekend. We try food here on the weekends because that's what's fun to do. Hi, Jeff.
I'm Jeff Daly.
Hi, Jeff. How
How's
are
it
you?
going? Great.
Good. We're still on the official Beverage Buddies set.
Yeah, I came down here to relax and everything, and you just were standing there waiting for me after work. It's kind of creepy.
Yeah, just a little bit. I just hang out at your bar all the time.
We don't even need to have pants on.
Nope. Nobody knows if we have pants on.
Oh, yeah. It's freeing.
Yeah.
So, we're trying new food?
We're here to try new food because that's what we do. We try new foods.
Yep. I was in the local grocery dispensary,
Uh-huh.
and they had these Twizzlers, and I thought they looked really cool.
So what are these, Jeff?
They're orange cream pop filled Twizzlers. Count
Count
the
them.
cream.
Orange cream-filled Twizzlers.
Cream. Count the cream. Yeah.
I'm going to tell you this right now, Jeff.
Yeah, dude.
These look gross.
They look gross? They look exactly like an orange cream pop.
Look, I like orange cream pops.
Yeah?
But, and I like weird Twizzler flavors, don't get me wrong. Like, I like the green Twizzlers.
Yeah.
I'm a fan.
The green Twizzlers. Do you
Yeah.
like the black Twizzlers?
No, black licorice is the grossest thing ever made in the history of man.
I could think of something else grosser.
Yeah, I'm sure you can. But, I guess we'll try these.
You don't want to try them?
I mean, no, we're
All
going
right, you watch Time to Taste. I'm Jeff Daly. That's Dave Moore. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We're not trying these. They're so gross, we can't even try them. All right, let's open it.
I'm looking forward to them. I saw them at the local grocery dispensary. I got real excited.
As you open those, Jeff, I'm just concerned at the smell we're about to get.
Smells like an orange cream pop, Dave.
I like orange cream pops. Oh no! Oh no!
It smells exactly like
It does, but it doesn't. It smells like fake orange cream pop.
Yes, it smells like if you put an orange cream pop in a Twizzler, doesn't it?
It does.
That's exactly what they were going for, Dave.
I realized that.
I hope they're good because I bought 2 of these.
This is a lot of Twizzlers, Jeff, if you're going to eat 2 packs of these.
In one day. All right, they're always really hard to get off. There we are.
Okay.
Here's one for you and one for me.
Up close.
Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum.
Now, see, here's the thing, Jeff. These are really thick.
That's what they all say.
That's what she said.
These are really thick.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're filled. Have you ever had filled Twizzlers before? They're the greatest thing Twizzlers
Don't they have
ever done.
like isn't it only like
Strawberry?
Yeah, it's
Sour ones?
yeah, the sour ones.
Yeah.
This seems thicker.
Oh, you want to do a Twizzler fight?
Yeah, Twizzler fight.
It's yours is flopping all over the place.
I almost your bar. All right, let's.
All right. Oh,
That is not where we do a Twizzler fight, Jeff. We do it where they can see it. All right.
They're good.
I don't know if they're 2 bags good.
Well, they have to be. They were on sale.
I mean, you could have got different flavors.
I only had this flavor.
Oh, that's not a good sign.
Oh, I like it.
I kind of like it, but I don't want to eat, like... It's kind of weird because it's a candy, right? But I don't want to eat like 10 of these.
When have you ever eaten a Twizzler and think about, I really want to eat 10 Twizzlers?
Yeah,
Usually I eat
mean,
Twizzlers and I'm like, oh, that's good. Now I need to go to the chocolate.
Right.
I don't eat 10 Twizzlers in a row.
No, I'm always kind of good with just like a Twizzler.
Yeah. Like you go to a certain restaurant and when they give you your check, they give you wet naps and Twizzlers.
Yeah, not a sponsor.
I didn't say any restaurant.
I know. We're just gonna call them out because, they're not giving us anything.
Little chubbies.
Yeah, little chubs, chub stuff. Anyway, guys,
What do you like? What would you rate this? Is it good? Better than you expected, right?
Better than I expected,
It's good. I like
but I
it.
only want one at a time.
I mean, that's like most Twizzlers.
Yeah. I'd be very happy if I was a 10-year-old boy and my dad packed this in my lunch.
Oh, yeah. I think Twizzlers always taste better when they're filled.
I think I agree with you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So these are available at your local grocery dispensary.
Get local grocery dispensary.
They're
Make
not
sure.
they're not putting CBD oil on these yet. That's a yet. That will happen eventually. Thanks for watching Time to Taste. That's Jeff Daly. I'm Dave Moore. Of course, if you guys enjoy these eating and drinking videos, we put them out on the weekends every Saturday and Sunday. And you're watching Forget Being Cool. We
Every
discuss.
Saturday and Sunday?
We put out an eating video and a beverage buddies
Okay.
with you and me.
All right.
Usually, unless there's a special guest.
Yep.
But
You've
subscribe
been
to-
watching TTT with DKM and JSD. Subscribe to our channel. What's our channel?
Forget Being Cool. We discuss the things you love.
All right, we can pull up our pants now.
For more great discussions, hit that subscribe button or visit forgetbeingcool.com.